Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're tackling a quick and essential task: how to delete a pin on Pinterest in 2025. Whether you're spring cleaning your boards, fixing an error, or just decluttering your feed, this step-by-step guide will make it a breeze. Pinterest has evolved over the years, so let's dive right in and get you up to speed. First off, make sure you're logged into your Pinterest account. You can do this through the mobile app or the website, whichever you prefer. Once you're in, head over to the board where the pin is located. If you have tons of boards, use the search bar to find it quickly and save some time. Now, locate the specific pin you want to delete. Tap or click on it to open the full view. This will bring up more details about the pin. Next, look for the menu icon. It's usually those three little dots in the top right corner. Go ahead and tap that. In the drop-down menu, you'll see several options. Look for Edit Pin or directly Delete. If you select Edit Pin, it might take you to another screen where you can find the Delete button. Once you spot it, tap Delete, and Pinterest will likely prompt you to confirm. This is just to make sure you don't accidentally remove something important, so go ahead and hit Yes or Confirm. And just like that, your pin is gone from that board. Keep in mind, if the pin is saved to multiple boards, you'll need to repeat the process for each one. It's a simple way to keep your Pinterest organized. That's all there is to it. Deleting pins on Pinterest in 2025 is straightforward and helps maintain a tidy profile. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any other Pinterest questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.